Welcome to Chris Cook for YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a fast and easy way to cook broccoli. But with the broccoli, we're going to add a lemon sauce to it. So if you're just tired of having the same old when you're cooking broccoli, this is a new way to do it that I think you're truly going to enjoy. Let's get started with the ingredients that you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need the broccoli. And what we're going to do with the broccoli is we're not going to actually put it in the pot. With water. We're going to steam it. So I'm going to allow this to steam for about 6 or 7 minutes. That's all I need because I like a crispness to my broccoli. If you like your broccoli to be soft, you can steam it a little bit longer. Just keep in mind that once you actually cut the heat off of your broccoli, it's still cooking. So what you want to do is to cut the heat off a little bit before it's done enough for you because it's still going to be cooking. You're going to need a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of granulated, this is garlic powder. And you want to use garlic powder. You don't want to use garlic cloves because using garlic cloves, the taste will be too pungent. So you don't want to use garlic cloves. You want to use garlic powder. And you're going to need fresh lemon juice. Same thing applies to fresh lemon juice. You don't want to use the lemon juice in the container that's sold commercially because that's going to be too concentrated. So you want to use your fresh lemon juice. And you want to use a good olive oil. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be the best olive oil out here, but don't use the cheapest brand on the market. So you want to use an inexpensive, but yet a good olive oil. So I'm going to go away and I'm going to start my pot of water. I'll be right back and I'll meet you at the stove. Be right back. Okay, now you see my water is boiling. So that's the way you want your water when you get ready to put your broccoli on top. And this strainer is bigger than the pot, which is exactly the way you want it. But you can see the little steam starts to come up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this. Okay, and I'm going to let it steam. Now I'm going to turn it one time. Well, my pot top ain't holding on, but that's okay. I'm going to flip it one time and I'll show you that just to bring the ones in the bottom up to the top. And I'll be back and I'll show you what that actually looks like. And it's only going to take like about 6-7 minutes, 5-6-7 minutes. That's it for me, how I like it. And then I'll meet you back at the table. But we'll be back when I get ready to flip this. Be right back. Okay, now I thought that was going to be hot, but it's not. I'm going to flip this, what I told you I was going to do. And that's just, see what I'm doing? I'm just turning it over because I'm bringing the ones that were on the top to the bottom, and the ones that was on the bottom, I'm bringing that to the top so that y'all can go ahead and steam. So that's it. That's all I need to do. And I'll meet you at the table in a few. Okay, now I'm back at the table and I'm going to mix together the sauce for the broccoli. Here I have 1/4 of fresh lemon juice. To that, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of my olive oil. Okay. So that's 1/4 lemon juice, 1/2 olive oil. Then I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic powder, my 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to take all of this and I'm going to pour it into my blending container. I need a spoon. Okay, I don't want to leave nothing over inside of here, so I'm going to take this out. Now I'm going to add this. Okay, and I'm going to blend it. you probably can't hear me, so I'll repeat it. I'm putting my broccoli over the inside of my bowl. Okay, that's been about a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop it, and I'm gonna pour this. Hand me a fork. I'm gonna pour this up. Okay, this is just another way for you to serve your broccoli. Now, this steamed up real good. And I think once you try this, you're going to be making your broccoli like this all the time. It's just my ice maker. Okay, there you have it. Chris is showing another way to serve up broccoli. And this is going to just change the taste of what you're used to. Now you don't have to do the same old, because you can use this recipe in order to make your broccoli. Very simple, very easy, but yet very tasty. That's all Chris had for you today. I'm bringing you another way to make your broccoli. And as always, thank you for watching. Chris cooked for you too. Bye.